Yamaha has revealed the 2018 YZR M1 for up-and-coming MotoGP season. The gorgeous blue paint conspires relatively like street-going Yamaha bicycles, and that makes a decent feeling of connection among ordinary clients and Yamaha's own MotoGP group. Non-conformist vinyls. The 23-year-old Team Yamaha rider, likewise reported the augmentation of his 2-year contract with the Japanese maker. The Movistar marking on 2018 Yamaha YZR M1 is presently white, while all prior rendition highlighted the same in green. Valentino Rossi, one of the best MotoGP rider ever, will start his second 50% of 2-year manage the group. Jorge Lorenzo is currently bound with Ducati, and therefore, vinyls came in as a substitution. The youthful rider demonstrated his strength before everybody with his remarkable exhibitions. Yamaha required strict updates to the YZR M1 as they can't manage the cost of losing titles consecutive for one more year. Yamaha has refreshed the bicycle with all recommendation made by Rossi and group, wanting to get the best out of MotoGP this season. They are one among the most exceptional bike marques, as Yamaha has manufactured a robot that rides a superbike and preferred route over a large portion of the consistent track riders. They have likewise propelled the 2018 R1 in India for 20 Indian rupees and 73 paise lakh. This improves the bicycle in arrangement now, as nearly 4 Indian rupees lakh of value lessening was seen for the current year. A similar blue shade from YZR M1 can be purchased through the street legitimate R1 in India. R1 additionally comes in tech black shade. Yamaha ceased the track spec R1M from India because of minimum request and significantly higher sticker price. They are presenting every one of these shades on bring-down spec bicycles like Yamaha FZ's most recent Armada Blue on double circle variation is additionally roused from the MotoGP YZR M1 shade.